Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today and we are going to talk about guys how can we on touch sound in our Samsung phone. Friends, we want to on guys your phone touch sound settings. So how can you on it? And after on guys, how can you use? Today I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we on touch sound setting and how can we use it. So guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it and click on guys phone sound and vibration setting. I tap here and guys again scroll. Friends, you can see system sound and vibration setting. I tap here. Friends, you can see your sound setting. Guys, you can see the touch sound guys. We will on from here. After guys, how can we use guys? You can see guys if you click on this button and guys on your screen and friends if you click on any icon. So friends, you can use guys this touch sound setting guys like that. You can see this touch sound setting guys. So like that guys we can on guys touch sound setting guys and we can use in our phone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.